And by the way, Amig is a responsible bird that loves to see his environment clean. Now let's see what Amig will do. Come on, good bird, come on. Open the beak. Open the beak and jump inside. Alright, and for the last, let's go home now, buddy. Wanna go home now? Okay, so well, I guess they're going back home to get their food, so a round of applause or flying applause. And for our next birthday, can you wave back? Good bird, alright, one more, wave at that. Okay, so everybody say wings.
Wings!
Alright, one more, say wings.
Wings!
So applause feet are Zygrodactylus, meaning they have 2 total points for one. For Jungle. Now let's see how Jungle gets his reward. Okay, come on. Yeah, come on. Good bird, so be carefully do it up and his reward. So we are using a reward. I want you to choose one animal picture, okay? So what do you want to choose? Louder, please. Alright, so I hear Tiger with Miss Tia. So Mr. Chris is preparing the jumbled letters. Let's have a short answer together with Mr. Ian. Hi sir, good morning sir, how are you? Fine, doing great. So what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
Varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, buddy? Are you ready? Just take a look at the picture carefully and what is the style of the tiger. First letter, what do you want to choose? Good bird, so you can letter C, okay? And for the second letter, the letter I.
Tiger!
Next letter, buddy, for the third letter. Alright, and next letter. Okay. And for the last letter, buddy, come on. What's your choose? Come on, come on. Alright, this is a good one. So I think Jump is pretty hungry. Come on.
So very good!
I think it's
University of Cebu Safari.
5 plus 3.
University of Cebu Safari. Now, Mr. Ian, where did Jump originally came from?
South America.
South America, but he loves to stay in the Philippines, right? Okay. Now, buddy, 5 plus 8 is equals to, now let's see how good he is at math.
5 plus 3 is equal to...
Choose one number, okay?
Wow! 8! Ah, very good!
Okay, so a round of applause for great company.
Wow!
At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers, kid and adult volunteers. If we have there, our staff, at the Jessa, and we have China, so they will to give you instructions or advice what we need to do. So make sure that the kid is not afraid of the bird. Straight? Okay, so are you ready, Kuya? Ready? Now I want you to meet our kid and happy birthday, Buddy. Come on. So Buddy is a very small bird, but he is a good leader and will like friends at home. So after he finishes food, he will go back inside and call his friends. So sunflowers, also known as sun parakeets in South America. Same as the other birds, they love varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, take your time, buddy. Don't move, Kuya. Okay, thank you, buddy. Thank you, Kuya. You may now take your seat. Thank you very much. So, Mom, you're next, Mom. Are you ready, Mom? Okay, can you still do an answer? Movements, relax, and don't touch our birds. Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of sunflowers, Buddy's friends. So as you can see, our birds are free to fly because we don't need their wings. So we'll let them engage in natural habitats and exercise through natural behavior. Okay, take your time, buddies. So their lifespan in the wild can be for 25 years, while in captivity they can reach up to 35 years. This species are flying lories. So here are black-cap lories and rainbow lories. So lories are constantly active and busy, feeding a large jewelry within the other company of parrots or other honeybee birds. So approximately 70% of their day spend feeding and they'll travel more than 48 kilometers a day to find their food. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, thank you sir. Can you please like extra movements, relax and don't touch our birds. Okay, lower sir. Okay, so are you ready sir? Sure? Yes. Okay, so we have another son with your name, Sunny. Please come out, Sunny. So Sunny loves money. Normally in the wall, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. Alright, so you'd like to share tayo and yeah, please one.
Kuha 1,000.
Buy Sunny and buy 1,000 guys. The last one, the question is, did you enjoy? Oh yes. So, wait, seriously, did you enjoy? Yes. Yes, okay, more than glad. Well, so, since you enjoyed, sir, wanna do it again? Do you have another 1,000? Wanna do it again, sir? Or no more? Okay, so we're just kidding, sir. So, Sunny is a very good bird, and he is very kind, so he'll return back your money, okay? Again, sir, stay on that side now, raise your right arm and open your palm just like this. So, Sunny, will return back your money, just grab the money and not the bird, okay? Okay, Sunny, please come out, buddy. Can you please return back his money? Here, 1,000 pesos.
Gihuli ang 1,000. Wow.
Alright, so thank you, Mr. Ayan. Thank you, Sunny. And of course, thank you very much. So, thank you, sir. So you could name Mr. together with our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aiken. And Mr. Horn, so Tukutukan is the largest of all toucan species. They have a black body and white mark on their throat that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, their large bill looks heavy, but actually it is extremely light because it is made up of protein and keratin just like our hair and nails. Hi, buddy. Right now, Mr. Horn, go get your food. Go to Mr. Aiken, buddy. Okay, good bird. So as you can see, Mr. Aiken has some fruit, so he will toss it to Mr. Horn. And let's see how good he's at catching his food. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice catch. One more. So their large and colorful bill makes them one of the most popular birds around the world, and also they love to do something in the water in the rainforest. One more, buddy. So also toucans considered as one of the largest bird species because they can weigh up to 5 pounds and can grow up to 25 inches long. One more. Okay, so toucans are really not good at flying, so they spend most of their life hopping all along in the trees. Okay, good catch. Wanna go home now or you wanna stay with us? So toucans live in southern Mexico, Central America, northern part of South America, and the Caribbean. Alright, so a round of applause for most handsome toucan named Mr. Horn. Come on, we go now. So since we're in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends, our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentors, Miss Jan and Mr. James.
Thank you, Mr. Sherby. Hello, everyone. This is our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its stunning ability and playfulness.
That's right. Maybe gusto kami sa body her every day.
Can you say hi?
Hello. Hello.
We can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog, and also mimic a telephone ringing. Ready, rooster? How about cat?
Rudy, can you bark?
About you, Lani Talupong. How about Rizal?
And also, Rudy, they love to sing, but before singing, you need to have a warm-up please.
Okay, let's do the warm-up. How about the first song? Okay, before the second song, we can ask first, who is celebrating their birthdays today or in this month? Hi, happy birthday, Tess and Kirkland, to Stana and Rodeo.
Birthday lang.
It is your birthday. So, round of applause for Mimini Marty.
Alright, so thank you, Miss Jen and Mr. James. And that's our Yellow Crown Amazon parrots, our mimicking birds, Lani and Rudy. So from Brazil, let's fly to India because we have here a romantic couple bird, our Indian blue peafowl, prince and princess. Please come up, buddies. Alright, hi prince. Together with their mother, Miss Rachel. Hi buddy, first princess. Okay, you are. Can you open up your tail, buddy? Princess, come here. Okay. Now face the crowd. Face the crowd. Don't be shy. Hi, princess. Can you open up your tail, buddy? Show them your beautiful tail. Come on, don't be shy. Come on, face the crowd. So peafowl are the collective term of these birds. So as you can see, the one with the long and beautiful tail is actually the male peafowl and it's called peacock. And the other one with the short tail is actually the female peafowl and it's called peahen. So when they produce a baby peafowl, it would be called pigeon. Again, the peacock, peahen, and the pigeon. Come on, Chris, open up your tail, buddy. Good bird, come on, open up. Open up. Alright, bird, come on. Halfway there, don't be shy. Okay. A round of applause, everyone. Now face the crowd. Face the crowd, Prince. So there are 4 types of peafowls, the blue, green, violet, and the white peafowl. So here in Cebu Safari, we have the Indian blue peafowl and the white peafowl who are free to roam inside the park. Okay? Face the crowd, come on. Don't be shy. Show them your beautiful tail. Come on. Come on, Prince. Two princess, go to Prince buddy. Face the crowd. So their diet includes insects, grains, small mammals, and smaller reptiles, berries, fruits, wild figs, and suckling communities. Come on, Prince crowd. Good job, Prince. Okay. Alright, so their lifespan they can live for 20 years, both in the wild or in captivity. So during the mating season, the peacock spreads its tail feathers all in its glory to attract the peahen or the female peafowl. So the more attractive the display, the more chances to mate. Good job, Prince. So by the way, in 1963, peafowl was declared the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian tradition. Okay. It's very come on. It's Good bird. Good job, Prince. Alright, thank you so much, Prince. You wanna go now? Okay, let's go to your tail. I'm going now, buddy. Okay. Good job. Hey, Princess. Okay, bye, Princess. And bye, Prince. So, a round of applause for Indian Looking Paul, Prince and Princess. Thank you, buddies. So since you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our kid and coffee birds, now it's time to meet some ferocious raptors, the birds of prey. So when we say birds of prey are those birds who choose or pursue smaller mammals, reptiles, and birds as their food. Like for example, hawks, eagles, owls, and vultures are defined as the birds of prey. So ladies and gentlemen, please sit down. Okay, so for our first bird of prey we have here, the snatcher prey and flight are Brahmanicite named glider. So Brahmanicite, formerly known as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but here in the Philippines they are locally known as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. So their diet, they locate small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they're mostly found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Okay, now later, you can take your flight now, buddy. So they have a reddish brown body plumage, contrasting with their white head and breast, which will make them easy to distinguish from other birds of prey. Just don't touch our bird. Please sit down, everyone. Come on, glider. And its size ranges from 44 to 52 centimeters. So a round of applause for Brahmanicite named glider. So now let's proceed to our second bird of prey, a diurnal bird of prey. So when we say diurnal, they are more active during daytime and they do most of their hunting on daytime. So everyone please sit down. Okay, thank you. Relax and be silent because we have here our Philippine hawk eagle hunters. And without many the lure, by the way, handled by Mr. James. Come on, buddy, strike the lure. Come on. Good bird, come on. Strike the lure, buddy.
Nagiduka.
Come on. Hunters, strike the lure now. Good bird. Okay.
Wow.
Now we have here Mr. Lion. So he has the real food or the real prey. Because hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. So as you can see, this is where we take out for the protection of the large and sharp talons of the bird. So by the way, Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN or International Union for Conservation of Nature as endangered species and threatened by habitat loss. Same as the Brahmanicite, they all eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And also, they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. A round of applause for Philippine hawk eagle hunter.
Hunter.
Alright, so from the medium size of birds, let's move on to the one of the largest bird of prey. And with that again, ladies and gentlemen, I need your cooperation to please remain seated. No one will stand and don't try to reach out our bird because our bird will fly closer to you. Okay, so we have there our bird leader, Mr. Chris, our big sir. Okay, now for our grand finale, give your hands up high to our white belt eagle named Marina. So white-billed sea eagle, also known as the king of the sea or the white-breasted sea eagle. So they have a white plumage from their head down to its underpart, and they also have a dark gray beak. So same as the other birds, that they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for their lifetime. And their diet, they like small mammals, reptiles, and birds, especially aquatic animals, fishes, and sea snakes. Okay, please remain seated. And also they are mostly found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, Australia, and Tasmania. So round of applause for white belt Italy, Karina. And to see this moment, we have here our flying glories all the way from Australia. So we have here three types of glories, the dancing glories, chattering glories, and the regular blue glories. And to make this moment more memorable, we have here the symbol of love.
You got a cellophane bag, love?
And of course,
Team.
we have here peace.
Wala na ko ba?
Cellophane bag. I don't have it.
Prosperity and